Daytime running lights. Now, these are the lights that come on automatically on the front of the car when you start the car up. This is fitted to most modern cars from the past 15-20 years, which is really good, but on the majority of vehicles, the back lights are not lit. And also, when you start the car up, the instrument cluster remains lit. You're probably thinking, why is that an issue? It can be an issue because I'm going to show you on an older vehicle how it was a lot more simple to know that your headlights was on. What I am seeing recently is a lot of cars being driven, especially now as it's going dark earlier. A lot of cars being driven just with the daylight running lights on, which means they haven't got their headlights on correctly. They've not got any back lights on. So I'm now in an older vehicle. This is 2009 Vauxhall. So we start the vehicle up. You can see the instrument cluster isn't lit. So back then, it was a lot more simple to know, especially if you're in a well-lit area, that your lights weren't on. Obviously, you need to turn the headlights on now. The instrument cluster comes on. So it's important when you are driving at night that you make sure you have got your headlights on. So just looking out the window now, that is not the headlights. That is just the daylight running lights reflecting. So it can be difficult as well when you go behind another vehicle, if you haven't got your lights on, to know that you haven't got your lights on. What you need to do, so you've got the universal symbols here for the lights. The lights are currently off. So we'll turn it to the right. That'll be the parking lights. And it's this one here, which is the universal symbol for the dipped headlights, that you need to make sure that your lights are on. If you have that correct, both your headlights will be on correctly, and you'll be showing your backlights also.